It's okay. What's wrong, Sunshine? What's the matter? Come on now. It's okay, Sunshine. Calm down. No, it's okay, Sunshine. It's okay. Darcy not doing anything. Sunshine, no fight, Darcy. It's okay, baby. It's okay, honey. It's okay. Why are you mad at Darcy? What did Darcy do? You mad at Darcy, baby? Come on. It's okay. Leave Darcy alone. You're not doing nothing. Darcy, don't make Sunshine mad. Darcy, stop making Sunshine mad. Aw, Sunshine. Don't get Darcy. Aw, Sunshine. Come on, Sunshine. Darcy, good girl. Darcy, good girl. It's okay, Darcy. Sunshine not get you. No, her not get you. No. Sunshine now. Why are you mad at Sunshine? Why are you upset, son? I'm not letting you down. You're gonna hurt Darcy. No, get Darcy. No, get Darcy. No, you leave her alone. No, get Darcy. No, you not get Darcy. You leave her alone. No, get Darcy. You don't get her. You leave her alone. No. Sunshine, you don't get my Darcy. No, leave her alone. That's Mama, Sunshine. No touch. Go get your food over there. Darcy, now you be nice. No, you be nice. It's okay, Sunshine. Why are you guys fighting? What's wrong with you, Darcy? Why are you mad? Huh? What's the matter? You mad at Sunshine? Huh? Sunshine get mad at you. I'm mad at you. You guys have to be friends now. Be sisters. You be sisters with Sunshine? Kiss. No fighting. No more fighting, girls. Don't fight no more. You gonna get along now, Sunshine? You mad at Darcy still? Oh my gosh, you guys, stop it. Why are you so angry? Huh? It's okay. Just stop fighting.